As of last year, we have lost a total number of the year 2024 of riders, 1,166. And if we compare that to the previous year, we had 1,133. The trend is still increasing. From an NTSA perspective, who are the lead agency on motorsport safety, they are reaching out to all partners that have a goodwill in terms of addressing this as they discharge their services to these people, so that we can all of us address the issue of safety and sensitize and give capacity to this work, and also address the issue of ownership and the importance that comes with it. Today, we are issuing 2,000 logbooks in Kisii County to all the Boda riders within Kisii County. We will have a program of this kind where we are going to also issue 1,500 logbooks in partnership with credit. All these will address because all the functions that NTSA performs is geared towards the betterment of road safety. And we are saying that road safety is a shared responsibility, and each one of us has a place in terms of betterment of the situation. Because if we are not addressing it, we are not going to have admittance and an intervention at all levels, we will be having these numbers. I want to appreciate the partnership that all the stakeholders are bringing forward, led by our Waziri in charge of roads, Mr. County, who is also the chairperson of the County Transport and Safety Committees. Just recently, we have done an induction of the committee so that we can embark on the agenda of ensuring we get to work and then we get to the segments, because we have different categories of road users. But the most vulnerable category of road users, as we have talked to the riders, is the motorcycle riders, the pillion passengers, and also the pedestrians. So we must have a targeted engagement with this number of participants, so that we can increase, at least we can reduce the fatalities and increase the level of awareness of the riders. I want to also appreciate the role that is played for the state in terms of ensuring that we cascade this information to the lowest level, so that all of us are part and parcel.
The reason why we're here today is to bring services closer to the people. So we have over 70,000 loans across the country. So these are customers that have completed paying their loans and have not collected their loans. So we're here to sensitize these customers on the importance of having their logbooks and showing them it's really important for you to have that document that shows you are the owner of this asset. So we are doing this machinally, getting as close as possible to the customer. So we've done several clinics, we're calling them one-to clinics. One week was done in Malindi, last week we were in Nakuru, today we are here, and next week we'll be in Boda County replicating the same thing. So we are partnering very closely with the NTSA and other partners that are helping us finance assets to ensure that customers are able to get their loans. So apart from logbooks, we're giving out all the services